Well, hello, folks. It's another edition of Tequila Walk. This one's real interesting this week. 1970 AMX. Well, hello, folks. It's another edition of Tequila Walk. This one's real interesting this week. 1970 AMX. Really neat little car. We didn't do body or anything like that, but we had a laundry list of stuff to do on it. So we did Phytech fuel system. We modified the front suspension, frame connectors. We did a 4-bar rear end coilovers. What else did we do under there? Oh, exhaust. And then inside we did stereo, and the floor looked like somebody just drilled holes everywhere and used screws to hold the carpet down. So fixed all that up, took all the seats apart. The springs were all broken. So we did springs, foam, redid the seats. We did a really neat carbon fiber dash on it with Marshall gauges on it. So kind of touched it all over, which is neat. But you don't see too many of these around anymore.
Pretty rare car, are they?
Yeah, very rare. Like short, stubby, no back seat from the factory. This one's got a 390 in it, and you know, it's a lot of power. It's a stick part too. If you follow, you know, you can see that it's you know, it's got some interesting stuff here.
I think you did some sound deadening all throughout the floors there too, right?
It's got all the foil deadener in it. You know, it was a little tired all the way around. The dash is really neat. The owner wanted something different, so we made the retro radio work in there. The gauges came out nice. He wanted to follow it across. Chris did a great job on that. We've had it out for a little bit of tuning. I think it needs a little bit more. The Phi-Tech systems take a little bit to, you know, sort of learn.
Is that what that unit is right there beside
that's the programmer, just on the inside of the shifter. And we've got some nice speakers in the back, and the work underneath it's really slick too. So anyway, you can take the folks for a few laps around on the car, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.